IBT's mission statement is very simple. We educate through performance and through the best possible training the residents of Northwest Indiana in the art of dance. We are unique because we have been around for 30 years. We are survivors. And we have students who have gone on to Broadway, to film, to teach in universities. So our students are all over in the arts community. Our funding comes from contributions, grants, and special sponsorships. And without that, we could not operate. Any child coming to Indiana Ballet can expect the finest training and a cultivation of their hopes and their dreams as far as what they want to do in the dance world. We teach ballet, tap, hip-hop, jazz, all of the above, and all of the students have an opportunity to dabble in all forms of dance. We serve the community in outreach programs.
What does ballet do for a child?
As well as the discipline that it teaches them on a daily basis, it is also very good for their posture and their self-esteem.
We appeal to all people in the community to join us. It's sort of a challenge that I put out there that says, be a part of what we have to offer. Be a great audience member, support us financially, bring your children to our productions, bring them to our school, because we have so much to offer. For a small community, we have a big heart.